What are you doing? You gonna hang out with me? Are we buddies now? Guy's a good boy. What you doing? Hi, bud. Hi. You're handsome, I'll tell you that. You look good, buddy. I don't have any fish though, bud. Sorry, dude. No fish. See? Nothing. You gonna hang out with me though? Alright, we're gonna hang out together. My new best friend. I wanted to do some fishing today, but I guess I'm just gonna hang out with you. Yeah. What you think? You come here? Yeah, what's going on? You let me pet you? Can I pet you? Huh? He's a good bird. So you obviously must have been captured or something. Oh well, I'm not gonna record anymore.